So guys, I was off YouTube for a while. How do I even explain to you guys? I can't even start explaining to you guys. Moi, why are you talking background? So I had a little issue and I didn't feel like posting, to be honest. But I don't know if you guys know my dog Steve. I'm sure you guys would have seen in one of my videos. I'll put his video. He's seen right here. Yeah, he died. Yeah, sad story. Really, guys don't cry, so I'm not going to cry this video now. It's nothing to me. It's nothing to me. So guys, today's video is going to be a social experiment prank. I don't know if it's a social experiment or prank, but yeah, I basically sneezed on Nigerians. Now, if you guys don't know, you can easily get beat up for doing shit like this, but I did it for you guys. So I want you guys to smash the like button. I need, how many likes should they give me? Guys, give me 2,000 likes. And see, I don't know where. You're watching the video, just click the like button. Let me give you a fact, guys. It is proven that for every like you give on a video, it's 5 years of good luck. Do the math by yourself. Okay, back straight to the point. Straight to the point. Now, guys, I went. This is out of my comfort zone, but I just decided to do this because, I mean, why not? So I went out in public and I sneezed. I didn't actually sneeze with my nose. I used this. Now, if you guys don't know the content of it, but this is sanitizer. This is not water. And when they smell it, obviously you know it's sanitizer. So I did public experiments on public. Guys, don't follow the video. I'll see you next video. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Guys, this is not easy as you make it look on camera. I swear. Yeah.
Bros, what's up, big nigga? We dey find if any pharmacy there around here. Any pharmacy where we can fit buy drug for my guy. Don't dey sneeze since yesterday night. Where?
Yeah?
How does Natalia ask?
Get it like this, see. So you get. Yeah, easy now. Since yesterday you don't dey sneeze. You don't dey cough since. One day they beat me. Oh, I dey show a video.
Yes.
Oh, hi guys. That crackhead dude, he actually tried. So.
Guy, no, I gotta give him props. He tried.
Yeah, one guy. This guy actually is just like a madman.
Yes, sir. Should that young boy be our first victim? Right, only one of us see him. Yeah, I'm a guy. Cool. Make I look like. Sorry.
Okay, there is one out. We have to go outside. You go outside beside that GT.
Do they treat people that have corona?
I don't know.
Why are you running away now? Why are you running away?
Did you know any pharmacy around?
Don't know anybody they treat people when they go.
Or you don't know where they do tests for coronavirus?
Ah. This guy move back. He move back. Sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Sorry, the prank.
Gotcha, bitch!
Auntie, As I follow is fine now.
And now the thing is when it comes. Jesus, say.
Sorry. Go use sanitizer. Make I use sanitizer for you. Make I use sanitizer. Actually, now this thing. See, record the book.
Gotcha, bitch.
I thought they don't mind them, but see, they don't mind.
Now.
Yeah, you made this one is slapping. Fuck, I see the video.
Calm down. This how gbé wọlé, sir. Oh yeah. See your mate.
Clap. Try. Yeah. I don't know where you can help me, but let's try. Ross, sorry, good afternoon. We're looking for any close by pharmacy. I don't know if you can help us. Because this my guy on the cuff since yesterday and I don't really know.
Come out of just go turn to the right. Come out.
First turning by my right.
You see the gate. Come out. Turn to your right again.
Okay.
You see pharmacy.
Alright. Let's push.
There's another one here that is
Wait. It's actually like on the road we are going to now. We just go to this one see because we could ask people and come back.
where are you going to?
We try to use it more.
It's not far. Just go and get it. You can come back to it. Just have to go out.
Alright, no problem. Thanks. It didn't work. It didn't work. So it's not straight. It's not coming. It's not coming.
Okay. Yeah. So we go that side.
Focus.
Bye.